Good morning, students. Today we are again going to revise the topic the accommodation of Belgium. In the last video class, I gave you the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka and Belgium. Today we are going to discuss the accommodation of Belgium first. By taking the advantage of numeric majority, Dutch community always wanted to force its will on French and German speaking people, because we already got to know that in the country Dutch speaking people were more. This led to a large scale conflict among the communities during 1950s and 1960s. The tension of the two communities was more serious in the city of Brussels, which represent a typical problem because the Dutch speaking population, which constituted the majority in the country, was actually the minority in the capital city Brussels. However, the Belgian leaders adopted a far-sighted policy and thus took a approach towards the problem of social conflict. They recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1970 to 1993, Belgian constitution was amended 4 times with the purpose of working out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live within the country properly. They adopted quite an innovative strategy which can better be described as a typical Belgian model having some elements. Now we are going how they are trying to adopt a new policy. It has been prescribed by the constitution that the number of French and Dutch speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government, because Dutch speaking were more in the country and French speaking were more in the capital. To accommodate this problem, they decided that Dutch and French speaking ministers will be same. Some special laws would require to support the majority of the members from each linguistic group. In other words, if we can say, no single community could take a unilateral decision. Many powers of the central government have been given to the state governments of the two regions of the country. I think you remember the two regions, Flemish and Wallonia region. The state governments are not considered to be subordinate to the central government. The capital city, Brussels, has a separate government in which both the communities, that is French speaking and Dutch speaking, are equally represented. The French speaking people had accepted equal representation in Brussels because the Dutch speaking people had accepted equal representation in the central government. Belgian model also established a third kind of government, the community government, apart from the central and state governments. This community government is elected by the people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German. This government has a power on cultural, language and educational issues. In spite of being complicated, the Belgian model has helped to avoid civil strife between the two communities and a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. The main concept in the accommodation part of Belgium is that equal representation they accepted. Again I am repeating, because you know we already discussed in this country Dutch speaking people were more and in the capital French speaking people were more. Now in front of them the main problem was which language speaking people will form the country. Now if the country has Dutch speaking people government, then it is an injustice to the French speaking people. Same if French speaking people are forming the government, then it become an injustice to the Dutch speaking people. That's why they very supportedly made the solution that equal representation will be there both in the state central government and in the capital government. And also, as German speaking people only was of 1%, that's why they made language speaking government like French, Dutch and German for the issues like internal affairs, then language, etc. I think you understood this. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the accommodation of Sri Lanka. Remember, in Belgium accommodation, the system is equal representation, but in the case of Sri Lanka, the matter we can say as majoritarianism. Till this much today. Thank you.